In the bustling streets of the Garden State, where turnpikes stretch long and the city lights never sleep, there's a constant rhythm of life, and at the heart of it all, your trusty vehicle keeps you moving forward. But the road to affordable car insurance in New Jersey can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. Here at FreeAdvice.com, we're putting the power back in your hands. You simply need to grab your laptop or phone and head over to our website, FreeAdvice.com. When you enter your zip code into our free search tool, you can find and compare car insurance quotes in New Jersey from some of the top companies in the state. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to pocket-friendly coverage without sacrificing quality, stay tuned as we navigate the road to savings together. Let's get started. New Jersey auto insurance is a bit like navigating a crowded highway during rush hour. It's not the easiest of tasks, especially when you're trying to keep your wallet happy. New Jersey, also known as the Garden State, has a reputation for being a bit on the pricey side when it comes to car insurance. In fact, if you're just looking for liability coverage, you might end up shelling out an extra $30 per month compared to the national average. And if you're after full coverage, well, be prepared to see quotes hovering around $160 monthly, which is 7% higher than what folks pay in other parts of the country. So why are New Jersey auto insurance rates so expensive? Well, it boils down to a few key factors. The state's high traffic and accident rates are major culprits. In fact, auto accidents in New Jersey have surged by nearly 25% over the past 2 years, putting every driver in the state at risk of having to file a claim. And when insurance companies anticipate more claims, they hike up their rates to cover potential payouts. While car insurance rates in New Jersey may vary for many reasons, the state's minimum coverage requirements stay the same. How much coverage do you need in New Jersey? In the eyes of the law, you're required to carry at least 5 in minimum liability coverage. Now here's the part you really need to pay attention to. Penalties for driving uninsured in New Jersey aren't just a minor inconvenience. Driving uninsured can land you behind bars for a full 2 weeks. And that's not all. The state won't hesitate to slap you with a hefty fine of up to $5,000 while you bid farewell to your driving privileges for at least a solid year. If you're on a quest to find budget-friendly auto insurance in New Jersey, head over to FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code into our trusty search bar and voila! The lowest car insurance rates from the best providers will be ready for you to compare. We know you're looking for affordable car insurance coverage in New Jersey, and we have some exciting options for you. Here are some of the top contenders for the cheapest New Jersey auto insurance rates. Geico consistently offers extremely affordable rates for New Jersey drivers. For teens specifically, Geico stands out, offering an enticing rate of just $82 a month. With an outstanding A++ AM Best rating, reflecting superior financial strength and a low complaint level, Geico offers cheap auto insurance for New Jersey teens with the kind of coverage and stability that young drivers need. AAA is the cheapest option overall for New Jersey drivers. Plus, holding an impressive A+ AM Best rating, AAA is a reliable choice for those in search of budget-friendly coverage. But what if you've had a few run-ins with traffic tickets? Well, American Family steps in as the best New Jersey auto insurance for drivers with tickets. With a respectable A rating and an average monthly rate of $115 for good drivers, they're here to ease your concerns. Lastly, we have State Farm. State Farm is a great option for high-risk drivers in New Jersey. State Farm is known for being gentle on your wallet, with monthly rate increases of about $25 after an accident and $35 following your first DUI. When you stack that up against Geico's $50 monthly hike after your first accident, the savings become quite clear. And here's the icing on the cake. State Farm boasts high customer satisfaction ratings in the Mid-Atlantic region, ranking in the top 3 according to J.D. Power. The company's customer service holds an impressive A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, and State Farm receives fewer complaints than average, as reported by the National Association of Insurance Commissioners. AM Best rates State Farm's financial strength as superior. So, If you're on the lookout for affordable coverage even with a few blemishes on your driving record, State Farm's got your back. Now you might be wondering, which company offers the cheapest car insurance in New Jersey? Well, it's all about striking the right balance between cost and coverage. The most budget-friendly option for auto insurance in New Jersey is minimum coverage. It offers you the lowest rates, making it easy on your wallet. But remember, this type of coverage provides the least amount of protection. The cheapest option for minimum coverage auto insurance in New Jersey comes from AAA, as the company charges just $32 per month for minimum coverage on average. Hartford comes in second with a rate of $43 per month. Geico Insurance comes in third, with customers paying around $47 each month for a minimum coverage policy. Interestingly, Liberty Mutual charges around $178 for a minimum coverage policy, which is more than 5 times as much as AAA. The easiest way to compare minimum coverage car insurance quotes is to visit FreeAdvice.com. Simply enter your zip code to get quotes for car insurance from several companies in your area in seconds. It's your ticket to hassle-free, side-by-side comparisons, making the decision-making process smoother than ever. If you're curious whether you should get minimum coverage or a full coverage policy, it's important to know a bit more about full coverage car insurance offers in terms of protection. Full coverage goes beyond the basic state requirements, including collision and comprehensive insurance. Naturally, this extra coverage comes with a higher monthly cost. Still, you can still score some very wallet-friendly rates by doing a bit of shopping around with multiple insurance companies. If you're looking for cheap full coverage auto insurance in New Jersey, the top contender is Geico, offering coverage at just $74 per month. AAA comes in second with rates around $86 per month, and Progressive comes in third place with an average $93 per month for full coverage. Liberty Mutual charges around $279 per month for full coverage, more than tripling the cost of Geico's coverage. Remember to visit FreeAdvice.com. Just enter your zip code and compare quotes from the best companies near you. Now that we've covered your options for affordable car insurance in New Jersey, let's wrap it up with some final advice. Geico stands out as an excellent choice for snagging the best and cheapest car insurance in the Garden State. However, if you happen to find yourself in the high-risk driver category, State Farm comes to the rescue with better rates. To get affordable auto insurance in New Jersey, examine the following factors about your insurance policy. First, take a look at your deductible. Opting for higher deductibles can lower your monthly rates, although it means you'll have to pay more out of pocket in the event of a claim. Next, consider your choice of wheels. Some New Jersey insurance companies charge more for certain vehicles. Driving an older model might score you lower rates. Be sure to consult with your insurance company to understand how different cars can come with different price tags when it comes to insurance. Safety features matter too. Vehicles equipped with advanced safety features often earn additional discounts on auto insurance. If you have multiple vehicles, bundling them under one policy is typically more cost-effective than insuring each separately. Many companies offer additional multi-vehicle discounts. New Jersey drivers should shop around and compare quotes to quickly find the most affordable auto insurance rates. Remember, the path to cheap car insurance in New Jersey can be as simple as visiting FreeAdvice.com. With just a few clicks, you can find and compare car insurance quotes that offer the coverage you need at a price that works with your budget. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and share it with a friend who could benefit from the advice. And remember to hit that subscribe button. When you do, you'll see more of the videos we release every week, and you can let us know what content you're most interested in. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos, like our video that highlights the best auto insurance companies out there. Whether you're a stellar driver with a clean record or a high-risk driver in need of SR22 coverage, we have tips on how to lower your monthly car insurance rates that you can't afford to miss. And we'd love to hear from you too. If you have suggestions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop us a comment below. Thanks again for tuning in. Until next time, stay safe on the road.